Morning YouTube, Texas Farmer here. Show you the new barn. The 10 guys finally got the roof put on it. I'll do a walk around and show you what we did. We still lack the doors and the trim around the edges. There's going to be one door here, sliding door. Got this, have a breezeway through here. There's our loft door. There'll be a sliding door up there too. Walk you around the building. There's nothing on this side really. This is a 12 pitch roof, so it was steep. Guys used a boom lift and a SkyTrak with a basket to put the tent on that roof. We joined it with this barn. This is our shop right here. And there's, you can see how we used angle iron to attach the purlin to the old shop. And then spanned across, built a truss, and welded it to that side of that barn, the new shop, and then joined them together. Here's our doors. Haven't got them finished yet. These are the front doors. Here's the front door. That's where these two are gonna go, sliding doors. Then we've got a walk-through door. Lock these sliding ones from the inside. There's the inside. Could use some cleanup. I know it's kind of messy. It's already getting messy. Here's how we did the 10 angle iron at the base. If y'all have any questions about how we did anything or what we did, just put them in the comments and I'll explain it to you. Let's go upstairs. Forgive me, cool morning. So here's that truss I showed you from the outside. We welded a piece of angle, I think it was 2 by 4, I think, to that to screw the tin to, and then this up here is just a piece of purlin we welded into place to screw the top tin to. And this floor got wet. It got rained on. We were waiting on the 10 guys. It got rained on at least 5 times. I think more than that. Plus the sun beaming down on it. So we're gonna put new plywood on top of it. Not that piece. That piece is trash. We're gonna throw it out. We're gonna put down some new plywood on top of it. These are free spanning trusses. Show you here how we welded those up. See, this is just a 4-inch square tubing, quarter wall. And this is a 3-inch strap. Welded, clamped that truss to it, welded this side, and then come around here and clamped this to that when they were setting the trusses, welded it to that, and then pulled it down right here and made that weld. And welded it across the middle right there. And then here's how the piece attaches right there. 10 guys did a good job. They said the building was square, it was easy. They didn't have no trouble. I helped them on this wall, put this up, that boom lift. There's our loft door, 8 foot by 8 foot. Wanted it big enough. If I had to set anything big up here, I could do it. It wouldn't be no trouble. So got a good view from out here. That's my pumpkin patch out there. Those, the green right there. Those are all pumpkins. Let it focus. And then I had watermelons past them, but watermelon season is over. So that's what we got right now. There's some leftover tin, long sheets. I think these sheets here were about 21 foot long. And it is, I think it's 31 foot, 8 inches from the ground to the peak. I think that's what it is. So almost 32 foot. Here's the other end. Got these braces going across. There's that truss. Welded that to that pole and welded it down there to that pole. Came out good. This is our handlebar. Falling down there in that hole. That'd be a nasty fall. You'd hurt yourself. So, yeah, that's it. Might wire it with electricity. They'll put the trim on, the ridge row on before long. I'll try and post another video of that. And that'll be about it for this build. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, comment, and y'all have a good day. Thank you.